Guys, here's the next project we're getting started on now. We're getting ready to do a seawall. Dig out all this riprap, of course, first, all the way across the front of this property right here, join it into the other side of the seawall over there. It's going to be a naval style wall, probably about 4.5 foot exposed. Also got a dock and a boathouse we're going to be installing here, similar to the one we did right next door here. Just finished that one up. And we got to get all these old dock pilings out of here. We're trying to do that right now. Just removed 2 huge pine tree stumps in this area right here. Things were 8 foot tall. Stumps removed, all the concrete riprap pulled back. Running our strings now, going to get our elevation set for running this wall. You can see it's quite a big job here. Had a lot of rock and broken concrete, and we've got all that out. Stump over there we took out. It was crazy deep. It took me an hour and a half to get that thing out. Let's see if we can get a shot of it. There we go, good progress. Got the whalers all installed, except for a couple on the end. We're short a couple pilings. Got 70 foot of vinyl installed today. These are all 14 foot sheets. Should have this wrapped up tomorrow. Start installing dead men hopefully tomorrow afternoon. Backfilling on Monday. Got the complete entire front wall installed now. Worked out perfectly where we're able to get the last sheet to connect in there with a little extra force from Hunter bowing it in place. 126 foot of seal. What we gotta do now is put the tieback system in. Top cap will be done with this one. Roots were just a little bit too intense right there.
Never hear a woman say that. That's just like that looking around. I don't know how it.
Yeah, that's a lot of things.
Alright, straight to me. Oh, crap. Hold on. Left just a little bit. Caught the rod first. Alright. That's good.
Good, Jordan.
What are we doing with this?
You gotta pull that man ray out or set it.
Disconnect me there, Jordan.
Yes, sir.
I can't get over there. You'll have to disconnect it. Thank you.
Clear.
Got some really good progress going on over here. Got the wall completed all the way down, as you can see. Guys are lining the wall up now. We're pulling it and pushing it to get it straight in line with the string. Doing a little backfill on there, getting all the dead man rods cut off on the outside and all the piling wrap on the front of the wall leveled up. Get a little more dirt in here. We'll have this done. Get started on the top cap, and then we'll be started on the boathouse and the dock. A little lightning delay going on right now, but we got the wall all installed, as you can see, backfilled yesterday. Now we're wrapping pilings with piling wrap up here on the shoreline and rolling them in the water and get started on the dock. You can see we start setting these this morning, and we're out to 70 feet right now, getting ready to, we're actually set the first boathouse pole already. Hey, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you like watching it, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. It helps me out with the YouTube. I appreciate that. And if you got any comments, leave some comments on there and I'll try to get back to you.